Introducing Point Perks, the app that's taking rewards to a whole new level. Yeah. Tired of clunky loyalty programs? Say goodbye to confusion and hello to Point Perks. Point Perks is simple to use, free, offline, unlimited accounts, multilingual support, and much more. Point Perks is completely offline, so you can earn rewards anytime, anywhere, no internet, no problem. And get this, Point Perks speaks your language. With support for 20 languages, everyone can join in on the fun. Set your stamp value that fits your preferences. It could be from 3 to 6 to 12 to whichever value you want. From giving rewards for any product or service to unlimited customer accounts, Point Perks has got you covered. Track redemptions, import, export data locally, and protect customer info with ease. Oh, and did we mention? Say adios to unnecessary customer data. Point Perks lets you delete it securely. So what are you waiting for? Download Point Perks now and unlock a world of rewards with no hassle. Simplify your rewards, ignite customer loyalty, and elevate your business with Point Perks.